Oh, hi there. This is a sketchbook review. My latest sketchbook I've just finished, and I'm trying out this new sketchbook, which is a Seawhite of Brighton Plein sketchbook, 220 GSM. And it's quite thick, smooth paper. It's almost like a thin card. It's quite nice. Handles. This is Casein. Handles Casein paint and graphite sticks very well in all weathers, and I quite like it. There's 20 pages in the book, so not many pages. It doesn't take too long to fill, but yeah, it's good paper, and it's because there's only 20 pages in it, it's very light to carry around, which is a bonus when you've got all your stuff with you, all your equipment and materials. And I really like this Casein paint now. It layers up quite nicely on this paper, and charcoal in the rain, like this was in the drizzle, it handles it very well, the paper. And I love the marks you can make in the wet paper. Lots of scraping and scratching going on in that one. This one was done plein air down at, these are all plein air, but this one was done by the sea down near Mullion at Predominant Wallace. And there's a video I've done of this one, so if you'd like to take a look, please look in the top right hand corner and click on the link. This was featured in an Instagram reel, so if you want to check out my account, andrew.barrowman, you'll find that on there. Quite entertaining reel, short video with the dog who takes centre stage as usual. More charcoal from Sketch Club, and charcoal Casein. This was one where I wasn't quite sure what to sketch, so I just sort of sat down at the edge of this field and noticed how nicely the light was catching in the trees were catching the light really nicely. I thought I'd make a good sketch, and that's one sketched from a lay-by at the side of the road. Calm Bray in the distance there. They're trying out a sepia type of charcoal with some graphite sticks. This is another one in the muddy field which not long been ploughed, and just like the way the blackthorn blossom was coming through there. Very nice scene, very enjoyable sketch to do. Nice tangle of undergrowth. And that was one from Sketch Club on Bucket's Hill, overlooking towards Carnmarth. And a bit of charcoal and graphite to end the book. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and as always, bye for now.